Hello, friends. Welcome back to another episode of my podcast.
Welcome to Let's Hear Out with AJ.
Whoa! Yes. It's been a long time since my last episode. And how have you all been? I missed you. Did you miss me? Yes. I really miss creating topics for you guys. And to my friends who always tune in, I'm back. Yes, I'm back. And speaking of friends, of course, for my comeback episode, after more than 2 months, yes, it's been a month since I had my episode for my channel. I have a special guest today, and she's a very close friend of mine, and I'm so grateful that she took the time to join me here today. And without further ado, please welcome the sexiest, smartest, and the trumpet of Luok Mandawi, Julie! Hi, Omega! Kamusta?
Hello. Good morning, everyone. By the way, my name
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening,
afternoon.
where my listeners is coming from, of course, yes.
Yes.
So, how are you, Omega? Kamusta?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you so much for asking about that.
Of course. Di ba? You know what? Like, dugay na sad gyud ni na kuan na gi-ask na ko nimo na, can we do have a podcast? But still, nahitabo na gyud na mag-guest ka sa akong podcast. So actually, friends, I've asked her many times again, as what I've mentioned, to guest on my podcast. And now it's finally happening. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much also, Jomar.
Of course.
Yes.
And for today's episode, of course, since it's very special because you are my guest, we will be talking about choices, like choices in life, relationships, careers, and more. And of course, we'll dive into the idea that no choice is still a choice. Di ba?
Yeah.
Do you think ang dili pagkuan sa choice is still a choice?
Yes, it's no choice.
Why do you say so, amiga? Nga, for example, maingon lang ka nga, no choice yung ko ani. So, ako ni siyang buhaton. You think no choice is still a choice?
Yeah, it's still a choice.
Kay?
Because no choice.
Well, there's a lot of aspect if we will talk about choices. A lot. And one of that is our personal decision making. Daghan sa ato nga makarelate ani amiga nga kanang di pa ka sigurado ba like mahadlok ka mo risk sa mga butang or gaatang ka sa perfect timing. Pero ang tinuod walay perfect timing. Kung moingon ta nga maghulat sa right moment, wala ta kay bawo nga sa atong paghulat napili na day nato nga dili buhaton. For example, in job opportunities,
Yeah, okay.
we sometimes say, I'll think about it first, 'di ba? Because we're unsure. We keep overanalyzing, hoping for more clarity, but while we wait, someone else seizes the opportunity. The decision was made for us through our hesitation. Inana gyud. And amiga, have you ever lost an opportunity just because you took too long to decide like what happened or how did you feel about it after a while?
Yes,
You know what? This first question is we will talk about career
okay.
or
So,
work. Have you ever tried to kanang lost an opportunity in career or job opportunity kay dugay lang jud ka naka-decide ba kanang makana ka nga wait lang ako ba jud kaning kwaon na job or what pero sa kadugay nimong hunahuna nga imo ba ning kwaon imo ba ning i-grab or what nawala na to. Have you ever tried inana na situation
oh
in life?
yes, because
Like what?
like ni-apply ko,
Mhm.
then gusto ko akong choice gid nga work from home. And then nagmahay ko kay mas wala na ko sila paminawa or wala na ko gitake ang opportunity nga dako di sila offer nako.
And you
then-
mean like nangita ka work from home pero
Yes.
they offer
On site.
on site but
I declined because I prefer to choose work from home. But then I realized na mas dako di sila offer. So, yeah, mas wala na ko gihuna-huna nga mas mo grow ko dito, niya mas nindot to nga opportunity kay mas dako siya sweldo.
Okay. So like na yung mga if ever, 'di ba? If
Yeah,
ever
yeah.
ako tong gi-accept,
Grab.
'di ba? Even if you're looking for work from home setup but still they offer you a on-site,
On-site.
pero what ni mo gi-grab, but
Yeah.
they offer a good perks, 'di ba?
Yes,
Like
compensation.
you mentioned a high compensation.
Yes.
Pero there's a reason behind that why you not choosing to grab that opportunities.
Yes. that's
Opportunity, right?
Mhm.
Well, we have our own reasons man.
Mhm.
But you think nga kung if ever imo tong gikuha on site, feeling mo nindot gyud.
Yes, nindot dito siya. Okay. Mas dako ang lang offer.
I see. Well, I have one experience as well that stands out. It's when I choose not to proceed with the final interview, Amiga, for a job opportunity. And I was afraid of the possibility or possible questions the interviewer. Kanang hadlo ko ba kung unsay mga possible pangutana nila,
Yes.
unya kanang na ay nag-overthink din ko. And I asked that time, I lack confidence in myself, sad. I also knew that many of my batchmates had already secured jobs or held high positions in the company, which made me doubt on my own abilities even more. Looking back, I sometimes tell myself that if I had gone through to the interview, the final interview, I might be working at that company, di ba? Alongside them. It's a decision I regret. But it always, also taught me an opportunity lesson about facing my fears and believing in myself. I truly believe that this because when we have hesitate or refuse to make a choice, we are still shaping the outcome. Whether we realize it or not, by choosing not to act, we allow circumstances like time or even other people to make the choice for us. Usahay, magtuot ang pagdugay sa pagpili makahatag nato og mas daghang kontrol,
Yes.
'di ba? Pero sa tinuod lang kasagaran this is a result nga mawala ang opportunity.
Sakto, tinuod.
Regret, pagmahay
Magbahay siya.
o mga pangutana nga like mga doubts sa mong self ba, no? If ano mo to gi-grab, 'di ba? Tagan yung mga inhanaoy sa kinabuhi, especially sa work. We're adulting, so like we're talking about career here.
Because
And at the end of the day, life keeps moving. Whether we make a choice or decision or not.
yeah.
The question is, do we want to be in control of our choices? Do we want to let life choose for us? 'Di ba? Dagan jud kang regret, amiga, sa nitabo ato.
Daghan kang regret sa amiga. Like nakaana jud ko sa kong self nga ngano man ni nga kinahanglan pamanta nga magunhaw na ani nga decision nga supposed to be mo naman tong opportunity pero wala ni mo i-grab. So,
Yay! Grabe ka deep ba to day? Kadip ko dati.
Deep?
No?
Deep?
So, dili na siya sa career ba? Murag, nalain sad, no?
Yes, then amiga, the more manggod nga kanang nidako atong edad, the more nga mas serious na sa kinabuhi ba.
Tinuod.
Tinuod
Good.
na siya.
Like, musod na lang sa tong unahon na nga, kailangan nato ni para sa future or at the moment, no? Na mga butang yun nga gina-consider na to always.
Yes, pero
Ikaw ba, amiga? Ikaw ba ang type sa tao, amiga, nga gina-decision nimo ang mga butang many times before na nimo siya like, okay, mao na gyud ni. Before ka mag-finalize, gating pag yun ka og kadaghan anang mga butanga. Like, kanang, for example, wait lang, ako sa ning hunaon kung ako ba ning i-grab or dili? Maka-affect ba nin ako or dili? Unsa ba nindot ani? Like, na gani before ka mo grab sa kabutang.
sa ako kay kanang dili man kay ko kanang mo think jud nga ako ba na siyang buhaton. It's like mo take lang jud ko sa risk. Bahala kung sa'y outcome.
Well, that's nice nga mo take jud ka risk. You know what? Dapat kita tanan, we should take a risk. Ay,
Yes.
we will never learn if we fail ba na
Yes.
gani. And don't ano yun kanang kahadlok nga ma-down ka.
Ma-fail.
I mean, ma-reject ka?
Yes.
Never. Kay you will learn a lot from it, di ba?
Yes, mao nang ing anak ko amiga, ing anak ko kay Kasi katong pagpang-apply na ko na ako, dili mo offer na ko work from home, and then mangita ko lain nga mo offer na ko work from home. So something pero nag-regret gihapon ka at the end.
Di ba? Unsa man si labot ani if we will talk about gugma or relationship?
Giato
Relasyon.
gugma.
Di ba? Beep. Anyway, dako kayo gyud. Dako jud kayo.
Yes.
Daghan siguro sa inyo ang nakaagi anang di ka sigurado kung magpabilin ba ka or di.
Yes.
Di ba? Sa imong gihuwat nga sitwasyon na lang ang magdesisyon para nimo.
Yes.
Example, dili ka mo ingon kung gusto nimo ang usa ka tawo, pero sige kag duol niya. Kanang di ka moingon nga crush na ko siya or gusto na ko siya. Pero sige kag duol, sige kag patagad, di ba? Sa imong una-una wala kay gipili, pero actually ang imong silence kay choice na siya.
Yes.
Yes, choice na siya. Og most likely na ay mga consequences like mawala siya. Well, this also applies to situations where people stay in unclear relationships, those mutual understanding, mga MU,
Yes.
or almost but not quite stages. Ganun ginana. Without making things official by not deciding, they risk losing the connection or causing confusion and hurt. But para na ko dili rasad sa kanang mga inana nga mga stages sa relationship.
Yes.
Nasad siguro dugay na. Dugay na mo nag-uban. Pero naapay jud gihapon ang mga choices sa life. Ikaw amiga, have you ever been in a situation nga you unable to confess or express your relationship, since I know you and your partner na
Yes.
you've been together for a long time. You're live-in partner, right?
Yes.
You're living together for a long time. And there was a time, amiga, nga you unable to express your feelings or mga butang nga gina-overthinking mo. Nabay times, amiga, nga di na nimo ginasulti niya.
Yes.
Pero is that a choice of not telling him, expressing him? Amiga, like it's that a choice? Choice ba nimo nga di na ako nisulti niya kay siguro inani.
Yes.
Ngano, like unsa?
Choice na ko siya nga dili na ko isulti niya kay number 1, di ko ganahan nga ma-offense niya. Di sa ko ganahan nga makapasakit og storya. So it's my choice.
But you think if ever imo nang isulti niya, imo nang i-express niya ang imuhang na-feel, well, given na siya nga ma-offend.
Yes.
Pero you think if ever imo na siyang gisulti, if you are being transparent, di ba?
Okay.
We know that in a relationship you should be
Transparent.
you should be more you should have a communication.
Yes.
Pero you think, amiga, ang dili pagsulti o pag-express sa imong feelings, amiga, is makasave sa inyong relationship?
Depende man gud siya sa sitwasyon dyan, amiga. Like, if ever man good or dili masagot ang makakung anong unsa dyan klase nga relationship na.
Pero ikaw ba, are you
ako
the kind of person nga expressive?
Expressive jud ko nga pagkatao.
So, have you tried, of course, siguro na, try nimo na i-express nimo niya ang
Yes,
imong...
gitry na ko, i-express na ko.
So, unsay nakita nimo nga when doing that?
So, ang pag-express na ko sa akong feelings kapag storya niya is like, mas nisamot o ni worst ang usa ko situation. Kay, dili man niya ma-accept nga mauna siya. Maglisod siya dawat ba? O unsa akong gi-express.
Depende man siguro namin gagod kung in what way, in how, I mean,
Ginsa nimo pag-deliver.
in what way, yun sa nimo pag-express ang imong
Nimong, express.
sa mukha niyo. I don't know if podcast pa ba ni siya.
Okay, murag
diba?
lahi na siya.
So, usapin mo sulti mo sa mga listeners na ko, Bing.
Okay, sa tanang mga listeners diha pa.
Ay na magpaminaw.
Ay na mo paminaw kay murag. Gasgas mong load diha.
Sa mukha. Kanang seryoso na ka ba? Seryoso na yung topic, pero inana. Di ba? Mga siguro amiga na.
Maubitaw nga.
Ma-offend din mo yung partner.
Mo din na lang ta magdaw.
Kanang seryoso na ba, pero inana na di ay, you know?
Yes.
Well, bitaw, no? Choosing not to decide is still a decision in itself.
Yes.
When we avoid making a choice, we are not escaping responsibility. Oo. Pananglitan, kung gaan ka o nindot na opportunity nindot na opportunity pero sige lang nimo og dugay-dugay ang tubag, imo nang gipili nga pasagdan nga mawala ang maong opportunity. Sa relasyon, kung nagduduha ka sa pag-express sa imong feelings, usa ka na ka hilom nga pagpili nga hapdong ganing yung connection amiga ninyong duha bisan pa sa mga issue nga nag-uban mo, like ang pag-uban nga neutral usa gihapon ka pagpili, nagpasabot kini nga ang imong gipili nga magpawiling sa kahimtang sa kung unsa mo karon na gani. Grabe ka lang sa ato kong Bisaya
Bitaw, maglain mo to amiga, hindi mo to ikaw diin mo mo gigugol ang mga
kayo. But at the end of the day, life keeps moving forward, whether we actively participate in shaping it or not. The question is, do we want to take control of our choices? Or let life make them for us?
No, listen ko siya natubag, no? Mura siya
making decisions, it's so hard.
Karoon pa ko, pa-bright tayo din mong podcast.
Pero bitaw, like...
Na wrong choice ka.
Ikay na wrong choice dahil.
Na wrong choice kasi mong guest dahil.
Ay, sabuka. Hindi bitaw, tignan yung mga realizations.
Yes.
Sa life. And one of that is making a decision. Making the right choice.
Yes, listen
no?
ka na siya, amiga.
Many of us are guilty of the I'll think about it nga mindset. Nga na gani, I'll think about it.
Nga
No,
na sometimes.
Amiga, ganun ka ni dili pa kanig mga I'll think about it.
Di ba tingana day?
Dili ka na.
Dili.
Okay, I always
Murag
think before make an action.
kay murag wala mo na maingani ka mukaon ka rin na naon sa nako. Murag lain mo siya, amiga.
Dili sa mag-depende sa mukha. Kapag mga amiga, dili makamudi sa pagkaon.
Yes, kapaw ko. Kasi pa-obvious, amiga. Kaingani ka kanina.
You know what? It sounds reasonable. We want to be sure before making a decision. But when overthinking takes over, it leads to analysis paralysis. A state where we get stuck weighing options for too long until the opportunity disappears on its own.
Yes.
Imagine being invited to an interview, diba? A career post. You hesitate thinking, what if dili ko ready? What if di na ako kaya ang interview? No? Diba, what if di na ako kaya ang assessment? Usahay na ako, amiga, kay bugo ko assessment, usahay. What if di ko ready? Dapat, you should be ready physically, mentally, diba? Dapat ready ka before ka mo take action.
Yes.
So, dapat mo think, mo na siya ka nga. Wait lang. Ako let me think about it. Diba? Dili pwede nga, diritso.
Okay. Mausad.
Diba? Sorti na lang yun nga, waka gano'n na karon nga mga apply ka, pero nang-apply ka, yan nadawat ka, kasorti na lang, anak.
Yes.
Diba? Sa tanang mga nang-apply, nag-prepare na sila. They prepare for mentally, diba? Ilang skills, diba?
Yes.
Kailangan na ba, ngayon mag-tanaw pag video for mga interview, kanang mga possible questions sa interview.
Yes.
Diba? Sorti na lang jud kay ka kung dili ka ready pero nadawat ka.
Okay. So, mura sa sitwasyon, amiga nga kanang sa trabaho, bisa pag-unsa na mo ka-experienceado og dili ka ready. Imong choice nga, madto lang ka sa usa ka battle nga di ka ready. Wala jud.
Diba?
Di jud ka.
Kung managingon sa maestar gabi, ni kuan mo og gira niya, wala mo bala, wala mo pusil, diba? Lisod kayo. Nya, for example, di ka ready, nang-apply ka, yung wala ka na dawat. Kaya of course, di ka ready. Makita magida, ma-feel magida sa mga nag-interview mo, di mo na siya ready. So, like,
di sa may ready dawaton ka.
di mo ready. Balik na lang og 3 months, after 3 months.
O
diba?
sakit ba yan na?
Diba?
Sakit kayo na
siya. Maingon di kasi mo galingon. Diba, wala ko na dawat. But I think na ay better opportunity.
Yes.
Pero dili na, you should be ready always. Sa tanang bakbakan.
Yes, ug unsa jud.
Diba?
Prepare jud ka.
Oo. And you keep analyzing until when you finally decide to join. Wala na sad. Naman sa time sad gud amiga good nga ready ka. Naman sa ubang tao, amiga nga, ready ka. Pero di sa kaganahan mo adto.
Opportunity. Inga na ba? Inga na magud ang life jud amiga.
Pero choice ga po na nimo. Choice ga po na. Bisa mo yung pagkag I'll think about it. Ready ka ha? Pero when ka I'll think about it. Nga sunod
na.
Nagsunod na noon nga karon mas hiring ni. Ready ka? Yes, kabaw ka sa mong kuan kanang kapasidad nga kaya nimo ni pero tungod sa imong hadlok or any reason what reason you have ningon ka nga I'll think about it. Pero sige kag think about it sa kadugayan sa nimo ang mas hiring wala na. Pag ato nimo puno na, wala sila hiring. Di ba? Listen muna dapat hunaon gyud mo ang mga
butang
decision good.
Yes.
Di ba?
Imong naon gyud
Di sad pwede nga amin ka nga ay napay mas better opportunity ani oy magurong wala ko na dawat ani magurong puno na. Lain na siya nga type sa decision making.
Yes.
Di ba?
Which is, di ba, o kato, nakapasar ko. Gideliveran ako og PC.
Oo.
Unya. As in, start na jud ko. Pero mas gipili gid ako mga pre pagbago, di ba?
Pero the opportunity was lost.
Yes.
Di ba? And not because you made a bad choice, but because you took too long to make
To
one.
decide. Yes.
To decide. Di ba?
Exactly.
And the truth is, uncertainty will always be part of life. We will never have all the answers. And sometimes, the best way to learn is by taking the risk. Di ba?
Yes.
And you love taking the risk.
Yes. Oh my God. Wala na ako gitake ang rest.
If we wait for the perfect moment,
Yes.
we might end up waiting forever. Kasabay ka na, amiga?
Yes. Waiting for nothing.
Ah! Abay ka lang mo na na. Yun.
English to, ha? Oh.
Yes, 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 yes!
No. Yata yun. Serious na tayo. Eat!
You know, like, ikaw, amiga, have you ever missed out on something great because you took too long to decide? And how did it make you feel? And what did you learn from it?
Yes, that's what I have said.
Mm-hmm.
Gimis na akong opportunity which is mag-start na unta ako.
Mm-hmm.
Pero mas gipili na ako nga mga play ko bag-o.
And how did you feel about it?
A lot of regret. A lot. Because I just realized one of this month that I really need that job.
Mm-hmm.
Even if the compensation is not that good, but I really need that job.
Pero, unsay nakatunan nimo ato na sitwasyon?
Yeah, lesson learned of what we have talked today.
Nga.
You should, take a risk.
Yati! Risking,
Past tense.
Please comment down. Please comment
Ayaw na
down
lang
below.
aming gabi. Palihog na lang. Assignment na lang na sunod podcast. Yes, mo na siya. Oh my God.
Diba? Choosing not to decide is still a decision in itself, manggod. Whether it's out of fear,
Yeah.
doubt, or hesitation, avoiding a choice doesn't mean escaping its consequences.
Yes.
True. Yes.
Yes.
In fact, inaction often leads to missed opportunities, regrets, and outcomes that may be not in our favor. Life moves forward with or without our participation. And by refusing to take control of our choices, we allow circumstances or even other people to decide for us. Diba?
Yeah.
And as the saying goes, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Diba? So out of
Yes.
100%, wadyo kayo nakuha to.
What?
Diba?
Sayang.
Because every opportunity we let pass, every dream we postponed. And every risk we refuse to take, our chances we willingly give up. While it's natural to fear making the wrong decision, doing nothing, it's often the biggest mistake of all. After all, growth and success don't come from standing still. They come from making bold moves, even when the outcome is uncertainty.
Kasakit na eh.
Uncertainty ko no. Uncertain sa day na yun. Please comment down below. And the question is, do we want to actively shape our future or let life decide it for us? Oh, di ba no?
Mm.
When ana. So, friends, klaro na nga bisan ang wala kay buhaton, di ba? Mga wala kay buhaton, kay usa na ka desisyon. Again, no choice
No
is
choice.
still a choice. Wala man tay makompleto nga control sa tanang butang, no? Pero ang importante, kabalo ta nga kada action or bisan ang kakulang sa action naagyod na epekto sa ato ang kinabuhi.
Yes.
The question is, do you want to take control of the direction of your life? Or will you just let circumstances decide for you? Think about it.
No? Sa chuchaw naon.
Listen mo naon or wala kayo na.
Ana na siya. Mo na siya imong option. Dili na lang ni mo hunaon. But it's still a choice.
Well, Amiga, thank you so much for...
Thank you. It's an honor.
Of course, thank
Honor?
you.
Honor.
Please comment down below. Well, thank you so much for your time and
Thank you so
giving me
You're welcome,
this
Amanda
time and
po.
my listeners, my friends here.
Yes.
You know,
Thank
like-
you, friends.
Even though wala silang makuha ni na episode,
Naoy.
what do you think? Ano sa makuha nila
Wala
ni?
silang makuha. Kaya man sa silang mga choice.
Any advices to all of my listeners here?
To all of your listeners, if
Uh-uh.
you have no choice, then you have no choice.
Di ba? Di ba, friends? I don't know if damo may makuha niya.
Naagi hapon. So, manaagwa, it's a choice.
Bitaw, I just want to say, like, making a decision, I mean, you should take risk, as what Julie said, and you should make a decision. Think about it, and don't let circumstances nga mo control sa direction sa mong life. You should
Yes.
control all of it.
It's a balance.
Yeah. Dapat like, ikaw jud mismo. Ako, I have a lot of wrong choices in life. And I'm grateful for those because I will not mold into who I am today.
Yes, because that's an experience.
Diba? Kay, there are a lot of choice sa akong life na wala ko gibuhat.
Mm-hmm.
Pero nakarealize ko, because of the regrets.
Yes.
Maka na ko nga, dapat dili na yun.
Mm-mm.
I'll take all the opportunities. And don't forget
To follow your channel.
to
Think.
don't be scared doing those
Taking
things
risks.
nga ma-reject ka or
Yes.
ma fall down ka or what. Ay kadlo. Because every door closes, there will be
Doors, closes. A new opportunity.
to open
To
another
open.
door to open. I don't know, mama na day.
Absent ko na din.
Abot ng Jude. But again, thank you so much for listening,
Thank you so
friends.
much,
And if you enjoyed this episode,
guys.
please share it and comment on your experiences. And we'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next episode. And remember, every choice you make shapes your future. Has been AJ. And this is Let's Hear Out with AJ. And take care always. Bye, everyone.
Bye.